whatever you miss in life will always come back to you. I moved here from Kenya, and I knew I wanted to get an education, and I couldn't wait for that flight to leave. And when it took off, I remember saying, I'm going to the US now, and I'm going to study. I enrolled in a school. I did my associates in psychology. My wife was 4 months pregnant. Her pregnancy had some issues where the doctor said there was no possibility for that child to ever live. That's why school didn't matter then. I had to stop. Finally, my daughter was born. When I saw her, I looked at her, scared, and I said, you did come this far to not live. She had beaten all the odds. Her name is Tikva. The name means hope. A friend of mine introduced me to Uber. It provided a chance for me to continue working whenever I want to. I wasn't glued to a schedule. Any free moment I have, I want to come back and spend time with my daughters and with my wife. I always wanted to go back to school, but I didn't know how. So when Uber gave us an opportunity, I just told my wife, come and see. This is it. I'm going back to school. Now, me and my daughters, we do our homework together. I am pursuing a degree in human psychology. This is my opportunity to finish the journey that I started.
I love you, Daddy! I love you too!
We're very, very proud of you. We know you're very smart.
You're the smartest